Shots fired! Shots fired!
On June 16, 2023, at around 11:10 a.m., New York State Trooper Richard Albert observed a silver SUV traveling over 100 miles per hour and conducted a traffic stop of the SUV on I-88 in Duanesburg, New York. As Trooper Albert approached the vehicle, 32-year-old Nelson Troche stuck a handgun out of the window and began firing. Trooper Albert was struck once in the left shoulder, but despite his injuries, returned fire and pursued the suspects.
3-2-6-4, shots fired! Shots fired! Milepost 108, shots fired!
Troche and his girlfriend, 31-year-old Alicia Eriole, attempted to flee the scene, but a passing tractor-trailer driver who witnessed the shooting turned his tractor-trailer into the path of the fleeing suspect vehicle, successfully disabling it. Troche and Eriole again attempted to flee by carjacking a disabled pickup truck at gunpoint.
G64, I need assistance. Shots fired, milepost 108.
Phone is still alive. My car was a pacifier.
3G64, shots fired.
1113.
3G64, comm check, shots fired. I'm hitting the arm. Milepost 108.
Comm check 3G64.
3G64, shots fired. Milepost 108, town of Duanesburg. One black male, one white female. Fleeing west to eastbound.
Eastbound, shots fired, mile marker 108. Stage of a black male fleeing the scene there.
Affirmative, they just hijacked the vehicle. It's immobile because it was in a collision. It's a Ford pickup. Get down!
Ford pickup fleeing from the scene, hijacked vehicle. 3G64, are you secure?
Negative! Not in custody. I'm hitting the arm. Put your hands up!
14.
Put your hands up! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Contact 3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
15-9G13.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Now!
3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
Utilizing the terrain of the grassy median as cover, Trooper Albert continued his pursuit of the suspects, all the while exchanging gunfire and conducting magazine exchanges. He remained engaged until the shooter had no choice but to flee into the woodline. After an agonizing long 12 minutes, the first backup began to arrive.
3G22, I need to start I-88 eastbound, mile marker 108. I have a trooper involved shooting.
Be advised, they're still shooting. Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
2-2 and 2-3, believe I am still in an active situation. Shots still being fired.
Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up!
No further. The caller stated that he got into an accident on 88 and somebody shot at a trooper.
We're trying to any assistance or anything.
We're going to contact
3G64, Schoharie, I need assistance. Shots fired. Milepost 108. It's going to be the town of Duanesburg.
Schoharie, any available?
Put your hands up!
98, Duanesburg.
Copy. 173, Gary, copy en route.
Put your hands up!
Crazy.
Primary gauges. That 151, no.
Crazy.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
71.
71.
6-4, Schoharie, be advised I'm hitting the left arm. Put your hands up!
Excuse me, 64, 1118.
For DOT and also the way.
I don't know if feature 64 is the wall, the face just got hit the right arm.
3G64, all eastbound traffic is stopped due to a collision. I have the suspects hold down in a vehicle they tried to obtain from the collision, and it's immobile. They're inside actively shooting. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Thank you for that
Put your hands up! 3G64 ComSec.
Check 3G64.
The shooter is on foot, fleeing into the wood line, south of I-88. Gonna need aviation and a canine. Put your hands up! Stand up!
South of I-88 at 1119.
He's gonna be wearing, I believe, jean shorts or running shorts and a black hoodie. He's armed with a silver handgun.
He's wearing running shorts and a black hoodie, silver handgun, 1120. SP Comsec, units en route to I-88, eastbound, mile marker 108. For Trooper Albert.
Turn around!
Gunman is fled to scene on foot, south out of the interstate to the wood line. Describing as a black male wearing running shorts, a black hoodie, armed with a silver handgun.
6-4 Comsec. Do I got anybody else coming or what?
Eriole was taken into custody, and Trooper Albert was secured and taken to Ellis Hospital for treatment before being released later in the day. A search for Troche was initiated, who was found deceased from a self-inflicted gunshot. Eriole had been charged with robbery, weapons possession, and criminal facilitation. She pleaded guilty to the criminal facilitation charge in exchange for a sentence of 4 to 12 years in prison.